Buyer activity on the Maryland Eastern Shore slowed in June and closed sales fell 2.2% compared to last year, with higher end sales being strong and lower priced homes being very weak. It's Friday, July 17th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Caroline and Talbot counties did experience 9.2% and 12.4% increases in the median sales price respectively. Cecil and Dorchester County sold prices are actually down 3% this report. The median sold price hit $361,500 for the overall Eastern Shore. There are 134 rental properties this week. Rent remains at a median $21.48 per month. If you have questions regarding your specific situation, give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 17th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay cool, and I'll see you next week. Take care.